Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to download and install the Atom text editor. What is Atom? Atom is a free, open source and modern text editor. By open source, I mean its source code is open for developers to contribute in making it better. The Atom text editor is cross-platform. That means it will work across multiple platforms like Windows and also a Mac. The functionality of the Atom text editor can be extended by installing various types of extensions. You can download Atom from this link, which is atom.io. The link takes you to the homepage of the Atom text editor, where you can download and learn more about the text editor. This is the homepage of the Atom text editor. To download, there should be a download button. Here you go. Depending on your operating system, if you're running a Mac, it will present you with the relevant download button. I'm running a Windows, so I'm going to click on this to begin my download. So that's the download there. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes to finish downloading. Then I'll run the installation files. The files are finished downloading, so I'm just going to double click to run the Atom setup file. So click, and it's trying to prepare the files for installation. We'll just give it a few minutes to get, there you go, it's trying to launch. So what's happening is the editor has been installed at the moment. You can see it tells you here Atom is being installed, and it will launch once the installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, it automatically also launches the text editor, and this is the default screen that you are presented with when you first install the editor. So you've got different options here. You can, for now, it tells you here that Atom is not currently set as your default handler. You can skip that and go back to it later. So just click on X. So this is the default screen, and in this palette here, if you wanted to extend the functionality of Atom by installing different packages or extensions, this is where you will go. So you got an option here to install a package. Atom has several packages or extensions that you can use to extend its functionality. As you begin to use the editor, you may come across useful extensions or packages that others have used, and you may want to install it yourself, and this is where you go to install that. If you want to choose a theme, if you don't like the default theme, you click on this button to change it. And if you want to integrate with GitHub, it integrates nicely, GitHub and Git, which is a version control system. And if you want to open a new project, there's a tab here to open up a new project. So that's it for the installation of the Atom text editor. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Thank you for joining us on this programming journey. If you found this video insightful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest programming courses, coding tutorials, and tech discussions. Learning and growing together is what makes our community thrive. So, don't forget to ring the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Your support fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and empowering aspiring developers like you. If you enjoyed this course, please share it with your friends and fellow programmers. Let's spread the love of coding and create a community of learners who inspire and uplift one another.